Today we are going to study about horticulture. Before I am going to start this horticulture, just I want to remember the previous class videos. So we have studied about the photosynthesis, transpirations through this video. Introductions, horticulture, pomology otherwise called fruits farming, horticulture otherwise called vegetable farming, kitchen gardening, commercial gardening, and vegetable forcing. And introductions about horticulture. So horticulture is very important for the farmers, as well as it's very helpful to farmer, because it will teach the farmers to proper technique or proper method which help to yield more, as well as to get more production of the fruits. It's very important for farmers, and also important for to all of us, because even though we are not a farmer, we like to grow ornamental plants. So if you want to grow the ornamental plants, we come to know how to cultivate, how to grow the ornamental plants, because all the plants is not the same. So some of them need more water, some of them need less water. Some of the plants, that's why we called aquatic plants, terrestrial plants. These are the things we are going to study through horticulture. So what do you mean by the horticulture? Horticulture is a branch of agriculture. So it is one of the agriculture department, so which is to deal with the cultivation of the fruits, vegetable and ornamental plants. So it's a branch of the agriculture, so which is deal how to cultivate the fruits, which method is very suitable certain type of the trees which is provide the fruits, because all the fruits trees expect different environment which is helpful to grow. So that's also we come to know, the farmers come to know which fruits tree is very suitable for their place as well as the environment. And vegetables, so there are many methods which is helpful to yield or to get a more vegetables, as well as the ornamental plants. So the horticulture is always help us to the farmers as well as to us to deal the cultivation of the fruits, cultivation of the vegetable, and grow the ornamental plants. So it will help for to proper growth. It will help for the proper cultivations. So that's the things we can come to know through the horticulture. So what do you mean by horticulture? How the word is a term. So the word horti is derived from the Latin word hortus, meaning garden. So first the horticulture, the word comes from the Latin word. So inside the word it have the meaning. The meaning hortus is nothing, garden. The cultivation is always happening in the garden or in the field. Orcularly means to cultivate. So altogether the horticulture meaning cultivating in garden. So the method which is taught by the horticulture. So each plants have that different method. The cultivation method is different from each plants. So they should have, the farmer should know that the cultivation method. So it teach by the horticulture. So here, so we should know that the horticulture, the word comes from Latin. So horticulture is both science as well as an art. So science means is nothing. The plants is germinate and grow a new plants. After getting a big plants, so it started to produce the fruits. Then the inside the fruits, the seeds is there, or sometimes they will, the economical important of the fruits, we can, it will help us to economical conditions. So this we consider as a science. So the normal biological process. Art means how we cultivate the plants. So certain method help the farmers or help us to grow and to yield more vegetable as well as the more fruits. So that's the way we consider horticulture is both as well as science and art of growing plants with improved growth. So it deal or it help to improve which growth quality. So when you take the fruit should have the proper quality. Quality means nothing, to give proper taste. The fruits, it's not give taste means so there is no economical value. We cannot sell the fruits. So it is useless fruits if it is not taste. So the quality also very, very important to the fruits. Then only the economical value is there. So that also we have to give, which is help for to yield or to improve the economical conditions of the farmers as well as those who are cultivate. And yield. So we have to choose the proper species which is help to give more yield. If the more yield gives means, so we have to proper method of cultivations. So that also is teach by horticulture. And with the resistant to disease. So plants also affected by the disease. The pathogen is always affect the plants. The pathogen is nothing, the organism which is causes the disease. Bacteria, fungus, virus. So these are the pathogens. It disturb or they are disturbed to the plants, not proper growth, or it will disturb or it will stop yield of crops. So the plant should have the resistance to fight or resistant to against or resistant against pathogen. So we know that some of the human beings have the more immunity power. If the human have the more immunity power means they are able to fight with the pathogen which is causes the disease to human being. So nowadays we come to know that so those who are have more immunity power or they are survival from the corona disease because they have the more immunity power. So immunity power help the human to fight with the corona virus. So like that the plants also have resistant to the disease. So that's also we have to keep it in the conditions which is resistant to the disease. So that also is a teach, or that also explained through horticulture. And insects, so that's also some of the insects is a very dangerous, which is a destroyed the plants. So if they destroyed the plants, means what will happen? So it will stop the yield, or it will reduce the yield. So that's also keep it in control. So insects always is a control. One or two means is nothing. If more insects means it will destroy all the plants. So what will happen? It will stop the yield. So that's also keep it in mind. So that also improved. So to improve the resistance to insects. So truss. So some plants is need more water, some plants is need less water. So according to that, the plants, if you have the proper amount of the water to the plants, it will give more yield. So if you less water, that plants means it will give less yield. So that also teached by horticulture. So through the horticulture, so we come to know that is the improvement of the growth, quality of the fruits, quality of the vegetable, more yield, and resistant to disease, insects, and trusses. What are the main classes of the horticulture? So there are 4 main classes of the horticulture. One is pomology. Pomology is nothing, fruits farming, cultivating fruits, tree. Horticulture, vegetable farming. Floriculture, flower farming. Landscape gardening. So there are 4. One is a pomology, cultivating the fruits tree. Horticulture, vegetable farming. Floriculture, flower farming. Landscape gardening. So some of the plants always cultivating for fruits. Some of the plants are cultivating for vegetable. So if it is called is a horticulture, if the fruits plants are cultivating for, that we call is a pomology. And if the plant cultivating for flower, that we called a floriculture. So landscape gardening. So if a skill or mountain, the field is not a flat, so there they will go for the cultivations in landscape gardening. So look at this picture, is a very good example for the landscape gardening. So we are going to study the detail about the 4 main classes of the horticulture. So first one is a pomology or fruits farming. So the pomology is always is help us for to proper cultivation of the fruits tree, or it will always help to choose the proper species, or help us to give the proper environment to the plant or fruits tree. So these are the detail we are going to study about the pomology or fruits farming. Fruits farming. The term pomology is derived from Latin words. So this word also comes from the Latin word pomum, means fruits, and logi means study. So the term pomology, the word comes from the Latin word pomum, means fruits, and logi means study. So it helps us, the pomology help us to study about the fruits. It means it will help to know the quality of the fruits. It helps us to cultivate the plants or fruits tree according to the soil conditions, according to the environmental conditions. So these are maybe help from formology. So formology deal with the development. So nowadays we will get more amount of fruits. So it always produced by the plants. So how to improve or development always take. So enhancement of fruits quality. So increase fruit quality. So if the fruits is a taste only, it has economical value. If the fruits not taste, means there is no economic value. So one of the good economic value, the fruit should have quality. It means they should have proper taste. Cultivation technique. So this is also very important for us or for to the farmer, to technique how they cultivate the fruits. So that also teach. Regulations of the production periods. So if the plants, if the fruits tree want to produce the fruits, it may take nearly 5 years before. But nowadays the technology help us to produce more fruits in a short time, 2 or 3 years. So look at this, it seems to be like a sharp, but it is a tree. So apple tree, but it is able to produce the more fruits. Nearly 2 kg of the fruits or more than 2 kg of the fruits is available in these the small plants. So because the technology help us to improve the plants to produce the fruits while it is in small size. So through this, so it deals, it means the formology is deal with that fruits quality, cultivation technique, regulation of the production period. It make the short period to produce the fruits as the production causes fruits. Horticultures. So horticulture is nothing, vegetable farming. So this is also very very important. The vegetables always use every day in our cooking. So more vegetable cultivation is necessary for the human being. So there are some method which is help us for to have the proper cultivations. Horticulture is the science of growing vegetables. So here look at this, the brinjal, otherwise is called eggplants. So it is the science which is help. It the science means is nothing, the horticulture is a science growing of the vegetables plants cultivations is called as a horticulture. So horticulture or vegetable farming. So vegetable farming can be classified into, so here it also classified further kitchen or nutrition gardening, commercial gardening, vegetable forcing. So the horticulture classified into 3. One is a kitchen or nutrition gardening, commercial gardening, vegetable forcing. So here look at this. So in a small flower pots, the beetroot plants are growing here. This is the tomato cultivation is happening in the area. So these things we are going to study. So horticulture is comes under the condition of the horticulture. The horticulture deal with the vegetable that we are called is a horticulture. The horticulture is classified as a 3: kitchen or nutrition gardening, commercial gardening, vegetable forcing. So kitchen gardening. So kitchen gardening is a growing of vegetable in small scale at a household. So most of them won't have the field. So they have a small place. They are able to cultivate the plants, which is help to get vegetable. So here we should know that is a small scale. If the vegetable cultivating in the small scale, it means only a less amount of the cultivation is happening, even though there is no garden that we call that is a kitchen gardening. So example, they have beans, cabbage, lady's finger, tomato, brinjal, carrot, spinach. So this is a leaf like a vegetables which is used for the cooking purpose. So commercial gardening. So last we have studied kitchen gardening. So we are cultivating the vegetable in a small scale, but here the commercial gardening is nothing. It is the production of the vegetable in a large scale to be sold in market. So long scale, it means more yield, or cultivating in the garden or cultivating in the field. So vegetable in a long scale ratio they are cultivating. So when you compare with the kitchen gardening, that is a small scale, but here large scale. So look at this, the brinjal. So the whole field is cultivating the brinjal. So it is in large scale. So look at this, the commercial purpose, the cultivations in the field. So this always help for to earning the money. Vegetable forcing. So what do you mean by the vegetable forcing? So that too you come to know that is a kitchen garden means it's nothing in small scale and commercial purpose. The another one is a vegetable forcing. So something is different. What do you mean by the vegetable forcing? It is the method of growing vegetable in buildings, greenhouses, gold farms, under other artificial growing conditions. So already I told that is some of the plants is need a certain environment which gives proper growth. So here vegetable forcing, it helps us to give proper environment for growth of the plants. So here look at this, so proper environment is provided to the plants, even though outside of this the greenhouse the temperature may be high, or the availability of the water also is very less, but here inside the artificial method the plants is provided proper environment as well as all the nutrients which for the proper growth. So very simple, vegetable forcing is nothing, giving the environment with the artificial conditions. So one more thing is example. It is the most intensive method of vegetable growing. Okay, here, so it is a help more cultivation of the vegetable. So the main purpose of this, it's a help to cultivating the vegetable when you compare with the fruits. So they have given the cabbage, tomato, brinjal. So thank you.